thitango niki tweka ni wa maboco ucio no witagwo uguo
niguo Ngai kaba ndogo yaku tondu ni ri umithio
auga no
ngeigua riu ni turandikirwo mashtaka ya kwanza murari hau kameme-ini murauga boco itiraya ni ya mbere niguthomera ta impeachment
aru ni ria account ndanohwo ni njuria
wiki ino ni gukoretwo na bara ya muthoni wa Kirumba aka Baby Top na women rep wa Murang'a ugwitwo Betty Sawa na bara ino yothe ni about boco. Apparently Baby Top ni rigite kuhurirwo thimu kameme na mundu akiuga ati maranengerwo boco citarahia, and Baby Top had to talk about that issue na kirerio horo ucio na akiuga ati it is very wrong abunge gukorwo marahuthira irio ta gorogoro igire cia boco uguo na citarahia gukorwo magithima kuhenereria andu, and you know all that debate and Betty Sawa took it personal, way personal, to a point of saying this and this.
Ongeigwa mundu agicambia boco ri ni uturika wake ri muti utare matunda ndwikagirio mahiga niki muti utare matunda ndwikagirio mahiga niki koguo ni amaraikia mahiga ni amaraikia mahiga ni amaraikia mahiga ndenda monerega ni amaraikia mahiga ni amaraikia mahiga muti utare matunda ndwikagirio mahiga no tukwenda kumurehera boco no ni turaiguire cia cambio citirahia tuga tutikamurehere twacoka tukwenda kumurehera mucere tuigua ni uracambio muno tuga tutikamurehere ni murenda kana mutirenda ni murenda kana mutirenda mugiuka mucemanio umuthiri hatiri handu ngari iratangathire andu moke maheo mucere na moke maheo boco. Ngari iratangathire nituroka kuheana mbeca cia ikundi na nituoka na mbeca cia ikundi. Ngari iratangatha nitukuheana matangi ma mai na nituoka na matangi ma mai. Ngari iratangatha nitugutuga akoro itu na mirengeti na nituoka na mirenge. No tondu mutumia ni wendo ri na mutumia ona agithie gucerera mutumia uria ungi ndathiaga kiondo githeri ri mukwenda gatuoke kiondo githeri mukwenda gatuoke kiondo githeri maitu ga kaunti no acerere ciana kiondo githeri ona mucere ucio tumutugaga naguo na boco ri tutiramurehera tondu mutiri njukaga micemanio ngaheo ni atumia nguku koguo na mutumia ucio ni angikurite nguku iyo na akareaniria na mutu wa ngima.
Undu uria uturire Baby Top makiria hari story no ni comment ino ya Betty Sawa andikire na auga your track record is sleeping with a former PS Energy who built for you, thus you have domesticated a musician. Get a life and work your huge life work. We na mamako ni mtoto wa nyoka. This really got to Baby Top. Tondu nake Baby Top athire haria na akoro agicomment na auga no, when it comes to my parents I fight to the last drop. I can never attack anyone's parents or kids. You have a problem with me or my mother, ino ni gui. This battle ever since that time has escalated to bara ya irumi dito. We have seen on Facebook Baby Top akoro akiruma kana agikirira Betty Maina very strongly, and the main reason arauga she has taken that stand because Betty Maina has decided to touch her mother. This is not the first time turona Betty Maina agikoro agikirira Baby Top, and Baby Top has been silent, but the fact that ni akoro akihutia mamu wao, it has made Baby Top get wild. Maundu maria akoretwo akiaria haria page-ini yake, it seems that bara ino nigukorwo kana bara ino nigukorwo intensify to something else. Right now, Baby Top is commanding a very big number of people. Turegete kuona mishamanio yake kana rire arathi action station. Turegete kuona somewhere around Nairobi. Age pull a very large crowd. Jews in Tronire Naikuru pulling a very large crowd and commanding a very large crowd. And here turona amodo ureto Betty Esawa, an elected women rep in Kiambu County, trying to fight someone who has been on radio for 16 good years. Ninyonire post ya Betty Maina ya 2020 agishokeria Baby Top gatho. At that time she was not elected any position. I'm assuming maybe in her suffering mood, maybe not really suffering, but hakuwa na ile power na hiyo pesa yenye ako nayo na power yenye ako nayo sahi. But you compare the Betty Maina of that time and the one of right now, two different worlds. Extremely. Kiria pere turona Betty bado akivurugana na adu. Amekuwa akivurugana na watu once kule hivyo ukona. This is a bit extreme. For a person who is elected, this is a bit extreme. Ona Jews in Tronire ageta Baby Top akiuga ati andu acio maramufinga ati ne ihe mareto ihe, and the sad part ni ati arahuthira atumia a Murang'a gukorwo akiruma andu. Kwerekanaga if you want to know the true character of a person, give them power and money, and you will know all their characters. Niokoma menya maudo maria mothe magika. Anything they are capable of doing, you will know it when you give them power and money. Baby Top thaishi ena power tondũ nĩ command crowd nene ũguo. Na ena mbeca. We are seeing what she is using her power and money to do. On the other hand, tuina Betty Esawa in power for 5 years, not 5 years, right now for 2.5 years. Na pia pesa hatuwezi kataa kwa nayo. And we can see what she has done, she can do with that. Ndiyo maoni makumegi horoyo. I know this story is going to escalate. No corona maudo maigeme ukoroma ki happen, and maybe they are going to reconcile. Maybe they are going to have a coffee and discuss and solve their issues. Nto koroha to kotke mo update maudo mashi mode. But I honestly think that Betty Esawa, that is our go ishi.